Hey everyone, welcome back to the Bass and Associates LLC YouTube channel. I'm your host Caleb Bass, and I'm going to be teaching you guys how to record a transfer in QuickBooks Online. Why is this important? Because if you want to show that you have this amount in your checking and this amount in your savings, and you transfer some money from your checkings, and you want to put a little bit back for Christmas or something else your business might have needed, you're going to go ahead and just move that from one account to the other. We got to make sure we record that in QuickBooks Online. So if you've got skills, or maybe you're brand new, you're in the right spot because we're going to go all through that today. So get ready for a jam-packed video. All right, so to record a transfer in QuickBooks Online, first things first, make sure you're logged in. As always, it's pretty reasonable. Next thing you're going to do is going to roll over here to the new button. You're going to go over to the other column. We've got 4 columns here: customers, vendors, employees, other. Go to that 4th one, hit transfer. Pretty simple. Wait for the transfer page to pop up. Double check you're in the transfer page. In the top left here, it says transfer. Right below that, you have a transfer funds from. Got a drop down here. Just click that. You have all your accounts are going to pop up, from bank accounts to credit card accounts, equity accounts, fixed asset, every type of asset account you can think of, right? And there's even other current liability accounts too. So in our case, we'll just click checkings. Over here on the right side, it's going to pop up your balance. So in Craig's case, we have $1,201. Right below that, we have the transfer funds to. So we're going to go over here to the drop down. We're going to put some money back into his savings account. So click that. It's got $800 in there. And then right below that, you have the transfer amount. We can pick the amount we want to transfer. So we'll just do $100. Boom. Got the date here, so you can pick the date that it was transferred, whether that's before today, after, or today in our case. You can do a little memo here, say savings. You can do like a dash, or say like savings business operations, something like that, just so you can remember exactly why you were saving that amount. Right below that, you have attachments, just in case you want to attach like a bank statement or any type of receipt that shows the record of the transfer, right? In the very bottom, you can cancel it, you can clear everything, or you can make it recurring. So if you know you're going to transfer this amount over and over again, you can create a template, make template name like savings, BOP, whatever. You can do it scheduled, you can make a reminder, do unscheduled, and you can shoot that over in days in advance. You can pick the interval you want to do the transfer, whether that's monthly, yearly, maybe just weekly or daily. You can choose every day, every 1 day, 2, 3, 4, whatever. Same with the month. You could do on, the first Tuesday every month, every 2, every 3, and you can do the start date. So if you're like, today we're going to do that, I'm never going to end it unless manual, that would be none. You could do by or after a date it ends. So that's pretty cool if you want to go ahead and customize that for your transfer template. And then you can pick, if you don't want to just do checkings or savings, you can switch it to make the template different accounts, like, from my checkings to a credit card, right? Which is pretty cool. In our case, we're just going to cancel. No need for any of that. We're going to put this back to savings, $100, got the date. And then the green little button here, you have a drop down. You can save and close, or do a save and new if you need to make multiple. In our case, we'll just save and close. Awesome. Cool. And then just to double check that everything's gone through good, you can go over here to your audit log. Sweet. Completed transfer for $100 on this date. Users Craig. You can also view your history if you'd like. You can go back and see all the previous activity in your QuickBooks Online, your audit log. We'll do a video on that in the future. It's pretty cool. And from there, you're all taken care of. Good job, Craig. Well, there you have it. Now you know how to record a transfer in QuickBooks Online. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, drop a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.